is CBS 12 News at 6.
For high schoolers, choosing a career and what college to go to can be really stressful.
But a local company helping to make that time a little easier. The simple test that will not only help you make the right choice, but save you a whole lot of money in the long run as well. All right, well, been there, done that, and a lot of high school students know all too well about the pressure of getting into college, picking out the right career.
So much pressure and stress. But a Boca Raton company wants to make it a little easier for students and their parents. That's why they developed a free test to make navigating their future just a little bit less stressful.
New at 6, CBS 12's Mary Quinn O'Connor shows us how they did it.
If you walk the college campuses around the country like FAU, you'll find students who have been preparing for these 4 years since they were kids. But as much as you prepare, making a decision on where to go to college and what to study is not always an easy one. Joe Schmoke, a former university president, realized there are many flaws in the college and major selection process. He wanted to fix that.
The key thing was to help them make better decisions based on what they are, who they are.
So this free online test is designed to do just that.
You came in.
It operates as a college major and school selection advisor. It includes a formula put together by higher education experts.
Would you rather give a television interview, or would you rather create a scientific formula? I mean, things like this, and it draws out really the inner person.
I put the test to the test and took it myself. My test ended up in the hands of one of those experts for official school and major recommendations.
Writing and journalism.
There we go. And my career recommendation from the test was a good one. It's what I'm doing right now. But if you'd like to take the test or learn more about it, head to our website, cbs12.com. In Boca Raton, Mary Quinn O'Connor, CBS 12 News.
50 seems fitting, right? 50% of college students will change their major at least once before graduating. Interesting.